Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about web page, website, internet, emails and all, right? In this session we are going to create a web page, right? For creating a web page we must know HTML, okay? Here we are going to learn HTML in this session, okay? Let's see the introduction to HTML first. HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, in last session we have seen about internet, web pages and all. Whatever web page is created, the basic is HTML. Okay, on the web it is written as a document only, and then only it will be displayed as a web page in a website, right? So this HTML is the special markup language which is used to create web pages. Okay, HTML, that is hypertext markup language. Okay, this is the special markup language, and this language is used to create web pages, right? This language tells the browser how to display the text or image or the clips which you add on the web page, okay? And all the contents of a hypertext document on the screen, okay? You using this HTML, you can show the browser that we need this text, we have to include this image, we have to include in this color, that and all we can just give the content in of this hypertext document on the screen using this HTML only, right? The language used here is HTML to design this web page, right? The language also tells how to make a document interactive through the special hyperlinks and all, okay? This HTML is not a word processing tool or a programming language. It is only a markup or it is a page layout, and it has a hyperlink specification language, and this only describes the structure of the document, right? Let's see how to write a HTML document. Okay, HTML is a markup language. We saw that writing in a markup language is very easy when compared to others, right? Directly you can start to write the text or paragraph only by using the HTML tags in the front and back, right? Here the tags are coded by HTML commands, or it will have some keywords, right? This will include how the web browser should format and display the content, right? This HTML is made up of tags and attributes, right? Tags means they are the elements of HTML, right? Some additional informations like changing the color or changing the alignment style and all will be included with the HTML tag, and that tags are known as attributes. Okay, those HTML tags are attributes. These attributes are used to improve the appearance of a HTML document, right? So you cannot create your own tags to create a new style or feature. Some built-in tags will be there. Only that tags you can use in this HTML, right? All the HTML tags should specified within the angle brackets. That angle brackets is nothing but it's greater than and less than symbol only. It must be given before and after the word HTML, right? This is not case sensitive. That means this HTML tag is not a case sensitive one. You can write it either in capital letter or small letter, right? That is, you can use uppercase or uppercase or lowercase letters also, no problem, right? Let's see the HTML document structure. Okay, HTML document will contain a text of the page itself, and also the HTML tags which is defined as the structure and appearance of the document, right? This contains the hyperlinks to other page also, or to include some multimedia elements like video, animation or audio and all. It will have some hyperlinks, right? The entire HTML document is bounded with a pair of HTML tags. HTML tag, pair of HTML tag means you have to put the greater than symbol and less than symbol before and after HTML. That is angle brackets, right? To close the HTML tag, it is /HTML. You have to put inside the tags, right? That is that will be the last line of the this HTML coding, right? HTML tags are generally will have a opening and closing tag around the text. That means here opening tag will have the turn on feature such as heading, bold, center, etc. These and all will be there. And closing tag of its feature. That opening and closing tags are the same name, but closing tag will be having a slash symbol before HTML, right? So HTML inside the tag means that is the opening tag. If slash HTML is there inside the tag means it is closing tag, right? Every web document has two sections, right? Through this heading section and body section is there, right? So this heading section is used to show the title of the web page in the title bar or in the tab heading in the browser, right? The heading section will begin with the head tag, right? That head tag also same like HTML. The inside that angle bracket head, that is the open tag for header section, and for closing that head tag it is slash head, right? Inside that head tag we'll have title. Title also same way we'll have title, that tag to specify the title of the web page, right? And then next one is the body section. Body section is used to display the main content on the browser window, right? That body section also will be defined within the body tags. Here body tags also will have angled brackets. Inside that angled brackets body, that tag will be there. And the closing tag for body is slash body, right? Whatever the text you are giving, it must be inside this body tag only, right? So, you have seen about this HTML document structure, right? Next, let's see the structural tags of HTML, right? HTML, then head, then title, then body. These are the four tags. These are known as structural tags, right? These tags are basic essential element to construct the web page, right? If you are not giving this HTML tag or head tag or title tag or body tag means that coding won't be executed, right? It will show an error. So that these are the four structural tags, right? Opening of HTML tag, HTML tag, and closing of HTML tag, that is slash HTML. Opening of head tag is head inside the angle brackets. Closing of head tag is slash head, right? The head tag contains the information about the document, including its title, script used, style definition, and document description and all, right? In this HTML tag, this is identified the document. This tag identified the document as an HTML document, right? All HTML documents should begin with HTML and it will end with slash HTML, right? And then title also same way. Title tag contains the title of the document and the title specified between the opening and closing tags appears in the title bar or in the page tab of the browser, right? The title tag also should be placed within the head tag and it also have the end tag or closing tag a slash title, okay? Title tag will be inside the head tag only, right? And the next one is body tag. Body tag encloses all the tag attributes and informations to be displayed in the web page, right? Body tag should be entered below the slash head tag only, right? That's all about this structural tags of HTML. Next we are going to see about HTML writing tools. Okay, to get started with HTML, there is no need of web server and all, web hosting or even the internet connection also. You can write, test and link web pages without a network itself, right? To create a testing to create and test this HTML through a web page is needed, right? Web page need a application, that is a text editor to write this code, this HTML code, and you will need a browser to view them, right? Using a simple text editor like for Windows means you will have Notepad, right? If it is Linux means you will have Get It. This is a good way to learn HTML coding, right? If you are using Windows, you can just type this HTML code in a notepad and you can uh, get the output in the browser itself, right? let's see how to create a web page. Okay, first you have to open the text editor. How will you open a text editor? In Windows 7 means you will go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and from there you will open Notepad, right? In that Notepad or the text editor window will be open, right? Here you will write the code, right? You will be writing the code as first HTML tag you will open and you will end it in the last line, and then head tag you will open and you will close the head tag. Inside the head tag, title tag will be there. Inside the title tag you will be giving the title. After the slash head tag you will be opening the body tag and you will be writing the message inside the body tag, and again you will close it by slash body, and at last you will check whether slash HTML is also there, right? And then you will save the file as HTML, right? To save you have to go to file and press on save, or you can just click Ctrl and yes in the keyboard also. Then the save dialog box will be appeared, right? From here you will in this file name text box you will give a file name along with the extension .html or .htm. This extension you have to give along with the file name, right? And down it will be given as all files, right? From there, from save as type list box, from there you will select all files. Sometimes document text will be selected. If so, you will be clicking there once. You will have the arrow symbol in the right side. From that, you will be selecting all files, right? And then you will click the save button. That's all about creating a web page. Okay. Next one is how will you view a web page in the browser? If for that you will need a browser. Any browser, maybe Google or Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Any browser must be there in the computer or laptop, right? Then you have to go to file and you have to open a file. That is, you can go to file and click on open, or you can just press Control and O, right? That is the shortcut key to open a file, right? And from the open dialog box, you have to search for the folder in which you have saved the HTML document, right? Once you have got the folder, you will double click on it or you will open it and you will select the file name, right? The file name which you have saved with the .html extension will be there. You will choose that file name and you will click on open. Now your web page will be displayed in the browser, right? And next one is viewing the source file. Source file means is nothing but HTML document, right? That means here you will have typed in the notepad, right? That is in or in the text editor, or if it is Linux means it is get it. That source file, that HTML document, if you need, means you can just view your original source file in the browser itself. For that, you have to right click on the browser. You have to be in the browser page itself and you have to right click on the mouse. There you will have view page source. In Firefox and Chrome, you will have view page source. If it is in Internet Explorer, you will have view source. Like that one option will be there. Or if you are using the shortcut in any browsers, it will be Control U, right? When you are giving this Control U or you are just clicking, right clicking on the browser and you are selecting view page source or view source means you will get the source file, right? That source file will be displayed in the screen, right? In this Internet Explorer, you have to go to view and then you can click on source, right? This is also used to open the source file. Okay, you have to remember that you cannot edit the source file which is opened using the methods you learned here. To edit and reload the source file, you can go only to the text editor, right? If you are going through the text editor only, you can edit that source file, right? So to edit the source file, you have to open the source file with the text editor, right? When you edit a source file, you no need to close the browser in which you are displaying the HTML document. For that, you can go to the folder in which that source file is located. According to you, the default browser, like your source file icon will be there, and from there you can just right click on that source file, right? If you have saved it in the name Jenny, means you have to go to that folder and you can just select that file first and you have to right click on that source file which you want to edit, right? From that, a pop-up menu will be uh, appear, and in that pop-up menu you have to go to open with and you have to select notepad, right? Source code will be opened in this notepad. If you give open with notepad means that source code will be there in this notepad, right? Making changes, make the changes and save the file using file. That is from file you can go to save, or you can just click on control and yes in the keyboard, and then you can go to the browser and reload or refresh it again, and the modifications you have made here will be displayed in that browser itself, right? For that you can go to the browser and refresh. Internet Explorer means refresh will be there. Firefox means reload current page, that option will be there. If it is Chrome, it will have reload this icon, that icon will be in the address bar, right? Or you can use control plus R, or you can just use F5. Function keys will be there in the keyboard, right? That you can use F5. This also will be used to refresh or reload the modifications, right? So we have seen about HTML clearly, right? We have seen about HTML, how to write the HTML document, how to what is the document structure of HTML. Here we have seen about HTML tag, head tag and body tag, right? Inside the head tag we have seen about title tag, right? And then HTML writing tools. HTML writing tools we have seen about creating the web page, viewing a web page, or viewing the source code and editing and reloading the source code also, right? And then after editing you have to save it and refresh the browser, and you will get the modifications which you have made in the source code, right? The next topic is HTML attributes, right? Attributes means these are the special words which are used to tag to a specify additional information to a tag, right? Attributes should be placed within the opening tag. Most of the tags support this specialized attributes, and there are also some global elements that can be used with any tag. These global elements are common to all HTML elements. They can be used on all the elements, right? These attributes for structural tags that we'll see first. Attributes of HTML tags are dir. It has two attributes, dir and lang. That is, dir is the direction and lang is the language, right? This HTML tag used to specify the beginning and closing of the HTML document, right? This tag will not have any effect on the appearance of the document. This will only be used to make the browser and other programs known that this is a HTML document, right? This HTML tag will have two attributes through dir and lang to specify the text direction and language setting respectively, right? So here the first attribute is dir. The value to be set to attribute is ltr or rtl. That is align left to right. That is ltr. Align right to left means rtl, right? Dir attribute specifies the direction of the text to be aligned within the entire document. It is a global attribute, right? LTR will be the default value and RTL will be used for Arabian languages and all, right? The next one is LANG, that is the predefined language code. That means if it is English, it will be EN. If it is Tamil, it will be TA. If it is Telugu, it will be TE, right? Language attribute specify the language used within the document. Predefined language code with be used which will be used for this purpose, right? Malayalam means ML, Kannada means KN, Hindi means HI, French means FR, Germany means DE, right? These are the attributes of HTML tags, right? Next one is attributes of body, that we'll see in the next session. Okay, so we have seen about the attributes of HTML tag. We have attributes of body tag that we'll see in the next session. In that body tag we'll have background color, that is BG color and all, BG color, body text color, background image or background image setting, color setting. These and all will come in this body tag, attributes of body tag, right? And we'll see about setting the margins and margin values also here, right? So today we have seen about HTML and we have seen the HTML attributes also for the structural tags, right? Uh, you just read this if you have laptop or computers in your home. Open Notepad and try to type a small program. Just type the HTML tags in the first and last. Inside that, you just divide it into header section and body section, and you can give head tag and slash head tag and body tag and slash body tag. Inside the head tag, you can give the title tag. That is title tag and slash title tag. Inside that title tag, you can give the title of that document. And inside this body tag, you can give the uh, body or the content of the web page, right? So you just try it out from your home, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.